Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Onshape tutorial how to insert image. So if you want to insert image, you can go to sketch, click this icon sketch, and then I will choose the top plane, move into the top view. Now to insert image, you can click at this drop down menu and then click the insert image tool. Okay, you can click import. As example, I will import this image, click open, and then we waiting to import, and then you can see we have this object. You can click these objects and then place into the Onshape drawing area. Okay, that's it for a basic Onshape tutorial how to insert image. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.